3, 2, 1. Oh. Alright, so what's poppin', everybody? It's your man, Briggs, back again with another video. And as you guys already know, we are back again with another banger, you feel what I'm saying? Now, you guys saw yesterday's video. If you guys haven't seen yesterday's video, that was the live cop for the Air Jordan 12 Indigos, and luckily, it went well. Clap it up, it went well for your boy. Did y'all get the shoe? That's really what matters. Did y'all get the shoe? If you did, let me know in the comment section down below. Now, when it comes to today's video is going to be another sneaker pickup. Yes, another day, another pair of shoes. Hashtag it, throw it in the Twitters down below, throw it in the comment section. And this one is a fire pair. Or it might be a fire pair. I'm not even gonna lie to you. But without further ado, we're about to get straight into it. The socials, meaning the Instagram and the Twitter, that's going to be at I'm Chris Briggs and at I'm Chris Briggs too. But without further ado, sit back, relax, go to McDonald's and get you a Whopper, because we are about to get it popping. Whew. Whew. Can you see it? Nope, you still didn't see it. The minute I pull up the bag, you're going to know what the shoe is. So we just have to bring back the countdown, okay? So on the count of 3, we're gonna do it. You ready? 3, 2, 1. Yup, you see it. Champs bag like always. Ooh, you see it. You see what we doing. Listen, we're getting destructive again. Listen, okay, look, so my box is pretty beat. I have a problem with that. But, you know what I'm saying? Listen, we have the box right here. First thoughts on the box. It's a pretty cool, pretty simple, all white box with that little hit of like navy blue on the center of the Jumpman. And if you guys have already seen this box, you can already guess what the shoe is. So the shoe that I picked up for today is the beauty of imperfection fades to perfection. The Air Jordan 12 Indigo. Before we begin to this, let's read this real quick. The beauty of imperfection fades to perfection. Indigo is among the oldest dyes to be used for textile dyeing and printing. The oldest known fabric dyed indigo dates back more than 6,000 years ago. No two pieces are alike. We embrace these differences. With time and use, the depth and fade of the indigo will reveal a look that looks unique to you. The more you wear these, the more you wear them, the more distressed and the different they're going to look. And I'm not gonna lie, now that I have found that out, that changes my opinion on the shoe drastically. Look at these. Come on, focus. Look at these. Look at those. Wow. I hate that. I can't stand that. Y'all already know what I don't like. That white bottom right there is just not cutting it. But the Obsidian 12 look is just pretty sweet. You know what I'm saying? We talking about how the shoe looks. I was coming on this camera to tell you that this shoe was garbage. I was going to tell you that this shoe is trash. And the main reason why I like the colorway, right? I think that this colorway is cool, minus the white bottoms. But what are you going to do? Here's my thing. You look at this leather when you're not like in the same room with me, and you might think, oh wow, that leather is going to be in like great condition. Look at how tumbled it looks. And then you get it in person and it feels almost rubbery. You know what I'm saying? The leather feels rubbery. So it's like I saw it yesterday and I was like, oh bro, I don't know how I feel about this at all. I don't like the materials that are used. Now, one thing that I will say is that now that I found out that this whole thing being used is like this textile indigo dye, and the more that you wear it, it's going to change and it might distress a little bit more on you. That gives more promise to the shoe, because you know, maybe the more you wear the shoe, the texture will change. The texture will start to break apart. You know what I mean? So that's what I'm thinking when it comes to these bad boys right here. All in all, you guys already see it. The 2020 Air Jordan 12 Indigos, the release for these went pretty easy, bro. If you wanted to get the shoe, you had the chance to get the shoe. I copped them on the sneakers app and I was able to grab them in store also. You feel me? So listen, if you guys want the Indigos, resale isn't too high. The last I checked, the shoe came out for $190. It's selling for like $240 right now. So if you want to pay a couple a couple dollars over retail. Do it if you want to. I mean, the construction is fine. It's just this textile quality was just throwing me off completely. I'm not gonna lie to you. But when it comes to the Air Jordan 12 Indigo, how you guys feel about these for the first look? You guys think that these are dope or trash? Let me know in the comment section down below. As you guys know, I got a full review and on foot coming soon, so don't miss that out. Very interesting shoe. Would I have rather the Obsidians? No, not necessarily. I'm cool with the Indigos. I just think that this whole upper right here feels so plasticky in the hands, bro. It almost feels like saran wrap. I'm not gonna lie. That is a big no-no. But if they're saying that the more you wear the shoe, the better this will look, and hopefully the better this will feel too, then it could be a go. But without further ado, that's the end of this video. Hope you guys have enjoyed. As you guys already know, I got more videos coming soon, more bangers coming soon. And all I have to say is, hey, blessings, blessings, blessings. And Chris Briggs signing out. You did.